Why does your scanner show the P0135 engine code? What does it mean? P0135 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction. Bank 1, Sensor 1. This error code indicates that ECM has tested the O2 sensor heater circuit and has detected a problem with the O2 sensor heater circuit in Bank 1, Sensor 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, blown fuse, faulty ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.